Hey guys, I hope you feel amazing. So today I'm going to be sharing my story about how I got my account disabled from the Facebook team and then got it reactivated. So, and how you can reactivate it too. Hopefully you can learn from my experience. So what happened is that I was taking a CPA course, and inside that CPA course they just it taught me how I could grow my page like virally, and how I could get more likes, etc., etc. So what I did, I took the exact same steps that I learned from that CPA course and applied them onto my Facebook ad campaign. Sorry. So what happened is that I took this campaign. If you can see, let me show you. So here's the ad I was trying to run. Basically, I was just putting an Xbox $50 gift card, uh, you know, uh, as a to win, and the condition was that people had to like and share the page and like the page, etc., etc. So that's something that was going against the Facebook ads policy, but I had no idea about that because I was just copying what the course has taught me, and I thought it was legit. So what I did, but the course didn't teach me just to target people under 18 years old. So I thought, hey, people under 18 are gamers, so why not just target them? And probably they're gonna convert way better than people older than 18 years old. So what I did, I just run a campaign between 15 and 35 years old, and I just matched the interest, etc., etc. Then here you can see the campaign that I did. The campaign was, yeah, there you go. Yeah, as you can see here, the campaign was just saying, it was just asking people to like the post, to qualify that they had to like the post, to share the post and like the fan page, then go to the link to fill out some information. That's how I could get how that's how I could earn some money when people fill out the form. And of course, I was just offering a $50 gift card. But what happened, just the moment I ran it, I got a message from Facebook. And as you can see here, I got Facebook saying, that your account was totally deactivated. I just appealed the decision. As you can see here, it was December 20th, 2020. And I was just not sure about which policy I violated. Then I understood it was probably like the fact that I was just targeting the people under 18 years old. But still, up to this day, I don't know why would they uh, just put, just list people, that you can target who are under 18, if it's not possible to target them. Anyway, so what happened here, as you can see, they said after 3 days, they just said, hello Yassine, I had a look at your ad account. And now it's a human being that did look at my account, because I believe the activation was just set up by a bot of theirs. And they said, unfortunately, we won't be able to re-enable it. All ad accounts are evaluated, etc., etc. So they said the ad account has been disabled, and okay, they suggested that I should take their e-learning blueprint module to better understand their advertising policies. So I thought, because I've seen many people on Facebook just talking about how their accounts got disabled and how they couldn't get them back. So I said, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna tell them what exactly was my intention, and then hope that they can get my account back. So that's what I sent on exactly the same day. I said, hello, I highly apologize, I never meant to do it on purpose, and I will take the course you sent me, which is the blueprint course. Is there any way I can get my ad account back? I was promoting an Xbox gift card to drive more likes to my page, so I thought I could target people under 18 or gamers as well. That was my intention. So I've never targeted people under 18. It's the very first time. And that was exactly the very first time that I did it. And so then I said, I'm very sorry and it won't happen again. I did it out of ignorance and not intentionally trying to break the Facebook rules. I would highly appreciate your empathy. Have a wonderful day, Yassine. And to my sudden surprise, today just wake up to this beautiful message. Finally, they just reactivated my account saying, hello, Yassine, thanks for reaching out to us. We've reactivated your advertising account and should now be able to create new ads and manage your existing ones. So thanks God, I was super happy because again, I had many campaigns in that account, and just being having my account disabled just deprived me of going and just checking the text of those ads. I could not just even click on them. So it was I had to create a new ad account and just start new ads from scratch. It was a lot of work for me. So I was just very happy that they saved me tons of hours of creating those ads back again. So guys, I just shared with you my story about how my account got deactivated and how and the why it was deactivated. So hopefully you don't do the same mistake that I just did. And sometimes courses they could teach you stuff that probably they never used, just so that you can buy the course. But just be careful. Never target people who are under 18, and try not to target people who are no, just not try to not try don't try to I'm sorry, don't try to target people so that and just asking them to like and share the pages, etc., because that goes against the Facebook policy as well. That's something that I just learned. And then, just in case you had your account disabled, don't lose faith. Just send them a message, just sharing your pure intention with them, telling them that you didn't do it on purpose and that you highly apologize. It won't happen again, just like I did. I mean, no one told me what to do or whether it was doable, but I just took a shot and it did work. Hopefully, you can do the same thing and get your Facebook ad account back running. So, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any question, or if you need the message, if you need me just to put the message in under my description, I would be more than happy just to copy it and paste it for you. Just let me know in the comments whether you'd love it, you'd love to have it, and I'll definitely just share it with you. Um, Guys, please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and click on that notification bell so that you can receive any video whenever I do share it. So thank you so much, guys, and have a wonderful day. I love you. Take care. Bye bye.